Okay, let's face it, breast pumping is hard, time-consuming, and stressful. But what if it wasn't? What if you could get more milk for your baby in half the time? Imagine everything you could do, like schedule more meetings, have more mommy time, have more daddy time, take a nap, do yoga. And that's why we invented Nuture, the world's first versatile nursing and pumping bra with an attachable massage cup that will change your whole pumping experience. This hands-free, innovative system is designed for women by women to drastically improve the efficiency of your breast pumping experience. Did you know? More than 60% of new breastfeeding moms quit because it was just too difficult. By providing a gentle massage that mimics hand expression, the Nuture system enables your inefficient suction pump to work faster and more completely empty your breast, resulting in a 32% increase in volume of milk expressed and a 72.3% reduction in time spent pumping, as seen during beta testing. The user-friendly Nuture system features an attachable mechanism that applies an adjustable, pleasant compression massage from the chest wall forward in a progressive motion, leaving your hands free to do more important things. Variables like speed, pressure, and hold time can be adjusted via the controller or with the Nuture mobile app, where you can store settings and data, such as the volume of milk expressed and time spent pumping per session. Nuture also decreases the occurrence of clogged milk ducts, mastitis, and engorgement. Because between nursing and life's other responsibilities, you've got enough to worry about. And Nuture will be available in a wide range of sizes. Imalac was founded by two women, Noreen and Rachel, a mother-daughter team with backgrounds in health technology and business.
Breast pumping experience is emotional, it's demanding, it's probably one of the most stressful things that a mother goes through once they have a baby, and there's so much pressure and stress put on being successful at it.
We've also spent a lot of time and attention making sure that the bra is aesthetically pleasing, that it's practical, that it's going to be easy to use for the mother that works.
Less time pumping, more milk per session, and a highly efficient hands-free pumping experience empowers you to do more.